Aloha and welcome to a really fun and exciting new vacation rental offering by the Stice team at Hawaii Life Vacations, greeting you from the Kaanapali Shores Resort in North Kaanapali, Maui, looking out over the center courtyard and resort style pool directly ahead from residence 213, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, fully furnished vacation rental offering ready today. Looking out towards the ocean and the on-site beach club restaurant. We also have another pool on the other side of the restaurant. And beautiful grounds. We've got cornhole, bocce ball, all sorts of yard games, everybody having fun in the pool, and the jacuzzi. Looking back towards the lobby area and center courtyard with the cabanas and garden setting. So you are right in the middle of it here from residence 213. We've got a nice covered lanai to enjoy your favorite beverages and all of these wonderful views. Open concept living. Pull-out sleeper sofa couch directly ahead. Coastal contemporary decor, beautifully accenting the acacia wood flooring. Flat screen TV, all smart TVs, brand new. Entryway to the residence directly on the left. We've got the washer and dryer in the closet space to the right of the stainless refrigerator. Freshly painted, all brand new inventory to make this a nice home away from home. Ample closet space and storage. Not closet, but cabinet. In the second bedroom, we've got twins. Closed storage on the left. Flat screen TV, brand new here. Nice views of the pool and the courtyard. In the second bathroom, got a single sink vanity, just recently done. Beautiful tile work here in the bathroom. Notice how everything is clean, bright, and airy. This brand new paint job. King bed in the primary suite, wall-mounted flat screen TV, little balcony where we've got the beach chairs. An additional place to sit down outside. Brand new lamps with the end tables. Beautiful new fan, all new light fixtures. Clothes dresser here, and then additional storage on the right behind the mirrors. Brand new 550 count Pima cotton linens and beautiful clean white towels as well. Fully furnished and equipped as a home away from home. Residence 213 at the Kaanapali Shores Resort. This is Jeremy Stice of Hawaii Life Vacations. You can find this fine vacation rental home at vacations.hawaiilife.com or inquire with our reservations team directly at Maui Vacations at hawaiilife.com via email. Jeremy Stice of Hawaii Life. Aloha and a hui ho from Kaanapali Shores, Maui.